Greetings, fellow cookers or chefs. Welcome to the next thrilling instalment of Cooking with Wayne. Don't forget, make sure your hands are clean before we start. We're just finishing the second week of lockdown and everyone's getting fed up with the kids, fed up with the mess, fed up with each other. Allow me to introduce my assistant. My adorable assistant, Gillian. And we have a very special day for you today. Today is Colin Bess's birthday, 8 years old. Doing lots of things, helping Mum and Daddy around the house. Happy birthday, Colin. Let's make a treat. One for your Mum and Dad though. One should always cook with wine. So, it's important. It's not an unhappy hour. So, you get a glass of orange juice or something. I'll get a glass of wine before I start. So today, what's the next best thing after wine? Chocolate. Everybody loves chocolate.
You love chocolate.
Hey?
You love chocolate.
I love chocolate, so everybody does. Right, we're going to make, I've forgotten.
Chocolate fridge cake.
Chocolate fudge cake.
No, fridge cake.
Fridge cake?
Fridge cake. Chocolate fridge cake.
I've no idea what a chocolate fridge cake is. But my lovely assistant will help me make one. Okay? Right.
You need a pan.
I need a pan. Of course I need a pan. Right?
And you're going to add that 7 ounces of butter.
7 ounces of butter. This is not metric. It's ounces. How do I know 7 ounces?
7 ounces. I've weighed it out for you.
Hey?
I've weighed it out for you.
Well, that's all 7 ounces?
Yeah.
Oh, that's handy. Do I break it up?
No, it's all cut up. Just pop it in the pan.
I can do it like that?
Yeah.
Just like that?
Just like that.
Just like that?
Yeah.
Okay. Ah, that was easy.
Now, 2 tablespoons of syrup. Generous tablespoons.
That's not a tablespoon.
It is a tablespoon.
Well, it's a damn big tablespoon.
That's
I don't need a tablespoon like that.
No, you're thinking of dessert spoon. This is a tablespoon.
Oh, don't confuse me. Okay, this is a tablespoon.
Okay, and it's going to be two generous.
Yeah, it's all sticky. Yeah.
2 generous spoons full.
Generous spoonful.
Yeah, just now if you put it on your spoon and leave the spoon in the pan.
Hey, Colin, seen that? It's really, really sticky.
Okay.
Yeah.
So scoop out 1 tablespoon. Okay.
Yeah.
And pop it in the pan. Quickly. Quick.
I can't go away and stop it.
No, it's all going to go back in the pan otherwise, in the tin. And then a second spoon and do exactly the same.
That's a smaller spoon.
They're all tablespoons. It's just a different shape.
Mm.
Okay, straight in the pan. That's it. Go on. Perfect. Okay, and then you're going to add to that 2
That's all
tablespoons.
sticky.
2 tablespoons of drinking chocolate.
Go on.
2 tablespoons of drinking
Another
chocolate.
tablespoon. A different tablespoon.
2 tablespoons of drinking chocolate.
I hope your tablespoons are the same size.
Yours.
How many?
2.
2.
Rounded.
Heaped or level?
Rounded.
What?
Rounded.
What the hell's rounded?
Rounded, not heaped, rounded. Look, let me show
Hang
you
on,
the
hang on.
difference. So look, let me show you a difference. Right. So that's level. That is heaped.
Yeah?
And that is rounded.
No, I can't be doing with those.
So you're going to put another one like that. Perfect.
Hmm?
Yeah, that's good. In it goes. Yeah,
I
that's.
thought you were referring to me.
Thank you. Okay, and then you're going to put that on the
Hard work, hang on.
You're going to put that onto the hob on a low heat and just let it all dissolve together.
Right. I haven't used the stove much. So, what do the spoons are in?
Leave those because as they warm, the syrup will run off them. So just leave them in there for a minute or two. That's it, perfect.
Right, in the pan, on the stove, low heat, melting the butter and the cocoa. Whilst it's warming, let's get on with the next job.
Okay, so digestive biscuits.
Biscuits.
Digestive biscuits.
Digestive biscuits, no cream, digestive.
14 ounces, and that is 14 ounces.
14 ounces, I haven't a clue what that is in metric.
Okay, and you're going to tip them into a Ziploc bag.
Oh,
Yeah, 14 ounces.
okay.
You had one job. Okay. And now you're going to take your lockdown frustration out on the digestive biscuits because you want them all crushed.
All right.
So,
Hey, Colin, here's to you. Bash. This is fun.
okay,
You're having fun. On the other side.
wow. Okay, perfect. You're enjoying that a bit too much. You're enjoying that a bit too
I
much.
was enjoying that.
Okay, so
That's really good fun, though.
crushed up digestive biscuits.
Yep.
So what you're going to do now is when your pan, everything is dissolved, which hopefully it's almost there, you're going to pour your digestive biscuits in to the pan.
Cake tin. Quite slim. This one is a puppy outey one. It's a thin one. Can you hear that? If you haven't got one of those and you're using a more rigid type of pan, don't forget to line it, otherwise you're going to have a hell of a mess. Okay, so that's there. Right, next bit.
Okay, so you bring your pan over.
Remember our butter, cocoa in there?
Syrup, it's hot.
Hey?
It's hot.
It is hot.
Okay, now you're going to tip your digestive biscuits into the pan.
Okay. This would make a great birthday treat.
It's a shame it's not your birthday.
Have you heard me sing?
Oh, please don't. Right, and then you're going to stir it all in. Till it's all coated by the...
Oh, it's all messy, I'll tell you that much. It's bending the spoon.
Okay, now you can tip it into your tray. Okay? You just,
Why not?
just pick your pan up and tip it into the tray.
Okay, it'll just fall out.
You want it to fall out into the tray.
That's the consistency of it. It's pretty yuck.
It's sort of like soil, isn't it?
Like making mud pies. Don't forget it's still hot.
Now you're going to flatten it all down into the tin, pushing it into the corners and smoothing it all off.
Did you hear that? Thirsty work. Oh well, I'll lift that up in a minute. At the moment, just flatten it all out. Pretty good, eh? Pretty good.
So it's all pushed down, it's all into the corners and it's all smooth.
Yeah,
Okay, and it's still quite warm, but it is going to set.
okay.
What you're going to do now is you're going to get some chocolate to go on the top of it.
Chocolate.
Yeah.
Got the wine. Okay, next up. 7 ounces, 200 grams for the metric people. Chocolate. And
We're going to
my assistant's kindly done some.
We're going to break it up and pop it in the microwave to just melt it.
Okay.
You eating the chocolate?
No.
Wayne?
Some you get away with, some you don't. Oh, how can I resist chocolate with mine?
Okay, so we're going to go and pop it in the microwave, 30-second bursts, because you don't want to burn it. And chocolate melts at very low temperatures, so we don't need it to be in there for long. But you're going to dissolve it until it's all melted.
Okay, here we go. Here's the chocolate melted. I'm just getting rid of the lumps before the final stage. Colin, if your parents let you do this, make sure that all the lumps are gone.
Okay.
Okay.
Now you're going to pour it over your biscuits.
Pour it over biscuits. Your back base, okay. So.
Start this end and there you go.
See, I did that very professional, wasn't I?
I'm very impressed.
Eh?
I'm very impressed.
Oh, I thought you would be. I'm learning a lot with this Cooking with Brain series.
Do you want to use a spatula?
Hmm?
Do you want to use a spatula?
It's damn awkward to get the last bits out. But where there's a will, there's a way.
Where there's a will, there's Wayne.
Did I tell you your cousins in New York with all this problems and things? Remember, stay safe, stay home, stay well. Won't be long before it's all over.
Right.
This will be great for birthday. Great.
Okay, Wayne, so
Yeah?
right, so you've got your melted chocolate now, you spread it all over the top and you can decorate it however you want. We're just going to sprinkle some white chocolate chips over the top.
Can I put a C on for Colin?
Just sprinkle the chocolate chips across the top. Colin can do his own C for his birthday party.
You might want to put a C for Colin.
Don't forget you're going to cut this up into pieces, so it'll be...
Well, you can't put a C on every piece.
No, you can't, but what you can do is just sprinkle these over
Okay.
into the top, and they if the chocolate's warm, they should start to melt. There's about 50 grams of little white chocolate bits there.
50 grams?
Yeah, you can put hundreds of thousands. About 50 grams there, yeah. You can put chopped up Maltesers on the top. They're nice. Little mini eggs if you want to do an Easter one. There we go. Now then, that's your fridge cake finished. All you need to do now is wait for it to set, pop it out the tin and cut it up into little squares.
Okay, and we put it in the fridge?
Put it in the fridge. That's why it's
That's why it's called a fridge cake. Got it! Okay. And there's just one more thing to say.
What was that?
I need wine too.
So yeah, that's the fridge cake.
So we're just going to chill this out, Colin. While this is chilling, I'll say, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, dear Colin, happy birthday to you. Boom, boom. Get another recipe for you, but in the meantime, take care, stay safe, stay well.
Enjoy your cooking.
Stay home and enjoy the cooking. Drive your mum and dad mad. Yeah.